Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your password on the Goodbudget account. First, open the Goodbudget app. Now tap on the menu icon usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings and go to the Manage Household on the web. Here you can see the section where you can actually change your password. Just enter your current password and your new one and tap Save. And if you have forgotten your password, just tap Forgot Password on the login screen to reset it via email. And yes, that's how you change your Goodbudget account password. Super quick and simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap that notification bell for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.